Right, Dewi, well, you've yet to break the 30 mark for me, so that's my my hope for today, is that we can get above that and hopefully move you up a grade or two. Let's see how you do. 25,008, good. 38 and 32, 46, 42. 3 marks. 119, 81. Another 2 marks. All the factors of 28, all the numbers that go into 28 exactly. So you got 1 and 28, 2 and 14, because 2 14s are 28, and 4 and 7. So there are 6 factors. 7,000 is right. 51 isn't, unfortunately, because 3 goes into it. 3 goes into 5 once, remainder 2, 3 into 21 goes 7, so 17 goes into it. 14 is correct, and 3/8 is bang on, well done. So 4, 6, 11 for the first page. 12 pence is right. Now unfortunately, what this is telling you up here is you have to tell me what you're doing, not just show it. So you can't get any marks out of 2 for your communication, but you do get the 3 marks for doing the maths correctly. That's good, so 5 marks there. That's nice. Unfortunately, you haven't labelled this axis. So this axis needs to say frequency or number of students, that sort of thing. So 3 marks out of 4 there. The mode is not, can't quite work out as an S or an 8, but either way it's wrong. The mode is hockey, because more people chose hockey than anything else. The child chosen at random prefers cricket would be 10, because there are 10 students that like cricket, out of the total number of students altogether, which it tells you on the previous page is 35. That's good. 4 marks. 7 for that page. 50 is correct. 66 is correct, but this one is telling you you must write down your units, so you can't get the 3 marks because you haven't written down your units. 0.430 is correct. That's wrong. 40% as a fraction, you would just write it as 40 out of 100. 30% would be 30 out of 100. So only 2 of the 4 marks available to you there. 5 is right. 1 win, 1 draw, 2 losses. Win, 2 draws, 3 losses. So because you haven't put a 1 there, I'm assuming that means no wins, and I'll give you the marks. 2 meters, 2.5, great. 10 for that page. This is really good, Dewi. Excellent. You're the only one who's got this question right so far. Well done. 61 and 119 is 180. No, so with this question, the first thing you're going to find is that there. Those angles must add up to 360. So you add up that, and that, take it away from 360, will give you that, and that's what you then take away from 180 to get that. Take a look at how I do that on the video. We will practice these questions, but it's worth you having a go in advance. So those are wrong because you haven't actually filled in the table on the other page. That's right. This isn't. This was the trap that I was warning you not to fall into. To get the x on its own, you have to do the opposite of dividing by 5, which is timesing by 5. That one's right. Well done. 4 for the page. It is false because 2 isn't. Good. This is wrong. It's not true because 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 doesn't end in a 4. Even times odd is even. That's correct. That's good. 5 4th page. We've practiced these in class. I'm pretty sure you were in. It's where you're going to do the 150 and then repeatedly divide by prime numbers. So it's 150 divided by 2, which is 75. Divide that by 5, and so on. So that would be, and keep going down. See if you can finish that off. 75 is right. It is Tom, but you need to explain why. So you want to say something like, if you look at Tom's highest frequencies, more logs in the longer length. Here, more logs in the shorter lengths. So you want to say something like, because he has more logs of longer length. Okay. $230, $460, $692, $60. You got the bottom two wrong. So that's really good. So you're certainly going to get 2 out of 4 for that. And take a look at how I explain what you've gone wrong there with the cream and the cheese. And that one's wrong with you as well. So again, watch how I explain that. The shorter sides are 4 each. That is correct, but there's no workings out. Let me just check the mark scheme for that one. So you would get 1 mark . 4 meters is correct, so you would get the 3 marks for that, and you get the 3 marks for that. So that's an astounding last page. Well done. Right, this is a massive improvement, Dewi. I can know that before I even start working on it. 11, 16, 23, 30, 40, 43, 47, 52, 53, 55, 61. That's a grade C. That is absolutely brilliant. Dewi, I'm chuffed. Well done, boy.